This video answers the search query, how to buy shares of Allegion, by showing the basic steps. Allegion supplies door and access security solutions and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ALLE. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and you will need to add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ALLE to find Allegion. Check the results carefully to locate the correct Allegion listing on NASDAQ. Open the Allegion asset page to see basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the company name, ticker ALLE, and that the exchange shows NASDAQ to ensure this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to spend and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may become a pending instruction, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before it completes the purchase. Once the order executes, you will see your Allegion position listed in your portfolio. For the example link and more resources, check the description below.